In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a 3D print into a Raise 3D printer. First, you need to have your file open in the program. Once you have your file open in the program, you will then go to File, Save As. And once you click on Save As, you will rename your file to whatever name you want it to be. So for this, I'm going to do Bear Wall Decor. And then it's important that you remember to hit the drop down menu where it says SOLIDWORKS part and change that to an STL file. And that's necessary to upload it into the 3D printing program. And then once you do that, make sure you have your destination selected and then click Save. And then it's going to ask you to just approve the STL file and you're going to click Yes. So from here, we're going to transition into the 3D printer program. And once you go into the 3D printer program, you will then select Import Models at the top of your screen. And then once you select the Import Models button, a window will pop up to select your file. You will then select the named file that you chose. So mine is Bear Wall Decor, so I'm going to click that and then click Open. And then you should be able to see your actual file in the program now. And at this point, you can rotate it around, do whatever you want. The most important thing is in the bottom right corner, if you see a little exclamation mark, you want to make sure you go up top and you press the repair button. All right, and what this will do is repair it so that way it'll 3D print it cleanly and there won't be any problems. So you'll click repair, you'll click OK, and it is now repaired to the point where you can print it. It still might show that symbol, that's okay. Then you want to make sure you click the support button. So if any supports are needed, it will add in auto supports. So you'll click support, then create auto supports. And then you'll see these little yellow squares appear. That means those are supports that were needed in order to print this entire file. And once you do that, you're now good to hit the Start Slicing button. And this is where it actually creates the G-code file that you need. So you'll hit Start Slicing. You want to make sure High Quality is selected to get a really clean, solid print. And then you'll click Slice. And then it'll process, it'll do all the work that it needs to do. And then this screen will pop up with all this information that tells you how long, how much money it'll cost, how much material, the name of the file, and it'll say .G-code. And then you'll have two options, upload to printer or export. We're going to export. And then once you go into export, make sure you have your USB selected. That'll then say your bear's name or your file's name. Make sure it says G-code file. Click save. Yes, you want me to do that. And then it'll save the file print. At this point, we will then be okay to transition over to the 3D printer. So you take your flash drive and insert it into the 3D printer. You'll have your screen. You will then go onto your screen. You'll see print in the bottom right hand corner. You're going to click that button, print. It will then bring you in. If it's not in the USB, you want to hit the back button and then make sure you select the USB storage, then USB 1. And then in there, you'll see all your files. My file is the very first one. It's the last one that was uploaded. It says Bear Wall Decor. I'm going to click that. And then this is going to show you all these different settings for it. You're then going to click print, and then it will start printing. And there you go. You now have a beautiful 3D print printing cleanly on the surface. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.